Once there lived a boy in a very small village. His name was Kabir. He was very poor, so poor that most days his pockets were completely empty. His shoes had holes, his school bag was torn, and sometimes he even went to bed hungry. But inside Kabir, there was something no one could see. It was his dream. He wanted to do something big in life, something that would change his destiny and the destiny of his family. But whenever Kabir shared his dream, people laughed at him. They said, "How can a boy with empty pockets dream about big things? You should only think about earning bread for tomorrow." Their words hurt him. But deep inside, Kabir believed that his future was not limited to his present situation. One evening, Kabir was sitting near a river, feeling sad and lost. An old wise teacher named Guruji saw him and asked, "Why do you look so troubled, my child?" Kabir replied, "Guruji, everyone says I cannot do anything great because I am poor. They say my dreams are too big for a boy who has nothing." Guruji smiled gently and handed him a mirror. He said, "Look into this mirror. What do you see?" Kabir replied, "I see myself." Guruji asked, "Do you see the pain in your eyes?" Kabir slowly nodded. Guruji then said, "Now look deeper. Can you see the fire hidden behind that pain?" Kabir looked again, and this time he felt something powerful staring back at him. Guruji said, "This fire is your belief. Most people ignore it and give up. But if you protect this fire and feed it with courage and discipline, it will light your path even in the darkest nights." He continued, "People will try to cover your mirror with dust. They will make you believe you are not enough. But you must keep cleaning that mirror with your actions. Keep seeing your true self every day and never forget what you are capable of." Kabir took the mirror and Guruji's words deeply into his heart. From that day, he changed his life. He started reading every book he could find. He practiced writing. He learned from every mistake. And he stopped dreaming about just passing in school. He started dreaming about changing his family's fate. But his journey was not easy. His mother was very sick and often needed medicine they could barely afford. His father was an old farmer who worked all day under the burning sun and still came home with almost nothing. Kabir knew he had to do something. Every morning he went to school. In the evening, he worked at a small tea shop, washing glasses and serving customers. On weekends, he helped a local mechanic and learned new skills. And every night, when the whole village was asleep, Kabir studied under a dim light with full focus. He sacrificed sleep, comfort, and sometimes even food. But he never stopped. His mirror, his dream, was always in front of him. Years passed. Slowly, Kabir started a small mobile repair service in one corner of the village. He saved every rupee carefully. With time, he opened a tiny electronics shop. He worked day and night, treated every customer with respect, and reinvested every money he earned. Gradually, his business started growing. From one shop, he opened three. Then he launched his own brand of mobile accessories. The same people who once laughed at him were now waiting outside his office for a chance to work with him. His mother finally received proper treatment, and his father no longer had to work in the fields. One day, Guruji came to visit him. Kabir welcomed him with deep respect. Guruji smiled and said, "You see, Kabir, the world tries to make poor boys think small, but those who dare to think big rewrite their story. You are proof that dreams are not measured by the money in your pocket, but by the vision in your heart." Dear friend, if this story sparked even a small hope in your heart, don't keep it to yourself. Share this story with someone who needs courage. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and join this journey of strength and wisdom. And always remember, your next chapter of success begins the moment you dare to think big.